What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. Currently, we're up 4.4%. We're sitting at a market cap of 1.73 billion. 24-hour volume, 886 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. We broke out of this falling wedge pattern and we met the target. So if you are a breakout trader, nice little trade opportunity of about 7%. Now we do have to watch for a possible double top. As you can see here, we created a top, we came back down, found support along the EMAs, created a second top, and we are quite overbought. A little bit of a bearish divergence as well. We're creating an equal high here while creating a bit of a lower high on the money flow. So that's something to keep a close eye on. Now there is a little bit, you might argue with me on this pattern. It's not the prettiest I've seen, but you could say this may be a little bit of a cup and handle where we've created a cup and this is our handle. So we can drop in our neckline. So if you see it start to come up and break, let me give it a little price target here, about 25.253, which we're currently testing as resistance. Could see a huge breakout for our friend Gala, taking you all the way up to this level of resistance at about 30 cents. Our break even is sitting at 0.27, equal amounts at each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time. Dollar cost average trading strategy. So currently we're down on our trade here just about 6%, very close to our break even. So once we push back above our break even and we're heading up towards overbought on the indicators, we close 50% and we set our stop loss at our break even. If it rolls over, we re-enter our trade and we get ready for the next bounce up. If it comes down, we continue to dollar cost average into our trades. Incredible method of trading if you're busy, if you have a family, if you can't stare at charts all day. You can sign up to the Discord, 350 USD. Anyways, guys, let's get back into the video. On the hourly as well, you can see we're quite overbought, so do keep a close eye on that, as it is usually an early indicator of a move back down. As you can see here, we're overbought, so I'll move back down right here as well. Overbought, move back down right here. Overbought, move back down. So let's pop over to the daily time frame. I do think a massive breakout for Gala is coming. We have this massive symmetrical wedge. If we can finally break this resistance, look here guys, right here, resistance. We came down, we hit resistance once again, right here, resistance. The more you test resistance, the higher likelihood you are going to break through, and we're starting to test the 55 EMA on the daily chart. So if we break this level of resistance, I would measure the body right around here of this symmetrical triangle, take it to your point of breakout. Huge breakout potential here for Gala that could take you all the way up to about 0.53. So that could be a massive trade opportunity as well if you're a breakout trader. 112%. Of course, we would have to come up and take out this high. I think that would be crucial just to invalidate that possible dead cat bounce scenario. But we also have a massive double bottom if we were to come up and break this neckline, or a double bottom or some sort of ascending triangle. As you can see here, if I pulled this line out, so if Gala starts to do a little something like this, we break out, we come up to this level of resistance, we roll over, support, resistance, support, boom, ascending triangle. Could see a huge massive breakout to the upside, and that would be a massive target. Let me measure the body. That would take you all the way up to about 81 cents, but that's a little bit too far ahead into the future here. As of right now, we'd have to get back above the 55 EMA, coming in at about 0.257, where we're currently hitting resistance, and break out of this massive pattern. Because if we do get rejected, always a possibility, and we roll over and we break down, well, that's when you could take this measurement and take it down. It would take you all the way back down to a strong level of support at 0.119. So we're about to see a major breakout, in my opinion, either to the upside or to the downside. Of course, hopefully what we want to see is it is to the upside. We don't have a lot to go off of on the weekly chart, but the money flow is getting closer to the bottom section here. So just wait for your confirmation. If you break out, get back above the 55 EMA, the 20 EMA comes underneath, you have the bullish cross. That's when you can see that massive push up to about 53 cents. Always wait for that confirmation. Or if you want to, you can dollar cost average. That's what we do here on our channel. Equal amounts at each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time. As you can see here, we've had 3 entries, so we have more money in our trade, and our break even is 0.272. For future price targets for Gala, what we can do if this were to be our true bottom here is take our Fibonacci. You could take it from this swing high. You could take it all the way from this one. If you took it from this swing high with the previous all-time high, if you get back above the golden ratio, about 0.44, higher likelihood you come back up to where you started. You could target the 1.618. Coming in about 244. And then if you wanted to look at kind of a more short-term price target, you could take it from this swing high down to the swing low. If that were to be your true bottom, you can see you're testing the 0.382. The golden ratio is coming in at about 0.297. Get back above that, you can come back up to where you started, coming in at about 0.382, and the target, the 1.618, which is coming in at about 58 cents, lines up with this previous swing high. But as of right now, we're very, very close to breaking out of the apex here. If you break out to the upside, technical target up to about 53 cents. However, if it does get rejected and we start to roll and we lose this level of support, then they're in a technical target to the downside of about 0.119. Of course, hopefully we see that breakout to the upside. I think that's what we all want to see here for Gala Games, unless you're shorting the market. But you can do either or over on Bybit. Make sure to sign up through my referral. That's where I do all my trading. $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. That's it for Gala Games. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,800 members. We're posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, and buy and take profit zones that are updated regularly. If you want to start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions based off support, resistance, Fibonacci, price of a coffee, trade with me, sign up to Bybit. You can follow me on Instagram. I just posted an Instagram reel of my travels here in Ghana. You can check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.